Welcome to 33 Flowers. Today, we're going to master the present simple tense completely. This is the foundation of English grammar, and by the end of this video, you'll understand it perfectly. So, when do we use present simple? There are four main situations. First, for habits and routines, things you do regularly. Second, for facts and general truths, things that are always true. Third, for permanent situations, things that don't change often. And fourth, for feelings and opinions, your personal thoughts. Now let's look at the basic formula. It's very simple. With I, you, we, and they, we use the base verb, like I work, they study, we play. But with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb, so it becomes he works, she studies, it plays. Remember this basic rule. Now let's talk about spelling rules for that s. For most verbs, we simply add s, like work becomes works. But if the verb ends in ch, sh, x, s, or o, we add es, so watch becomes watches. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, we change y to ies, like study becomes studies. And if it ends in a vowel plus y, we just add s, like play becomes plays. Now, how do we make negative sentences? With I, you, we, and they, we use do not, or the contraction don't, plus the base verb, like we don't work on Sundays. With he, she, and it, we use does not or doesn't plus the base verb, like she doesn't like coffee. Notice that after don't or doesn't, we always use the base verb without s. For questions, we start with do for I, you, we, and they, like do you like pizza or do they study English? For he, she, and it, we start with does, like does she live here, or does he work today? After do or does, we use the subject, then the base verb without s. Present simple often uses specific time expressions, words like every day, every week, every month. Also frequency words like always, often, usually, sometimes, and rarely. We also use on Mondays, on weekends, in the morning, in the evening, and at night. These words help you recognize when to use present simple. Now let's practice together. I'll give you 3 sentences to complete. First, she blank teach English every day. Second, they blank play football on Saturdays. Third, he blank watch movies at night. Pause and think about your answers. More practice, now with negatives and questions. First, we blank not work on Sundays. Second, blank you blank like coffee. Third, she blank not study at night. Take your time to think about these. Ready for the answers? For the first practice, teaches, play, and watches. For the second practice, don't work, do like, and doesn't study. How'd you do? Remember, with she, we add s, but after doesn't, we use the base verb. Let's do a quick summary. Use present simple for habits, facts, and permanent situations. Remember, he, she, it, add s. For negatives, use don't or doesn't plus the base verb. For questions, start with do or does, then subject, then base verb. Congratulations! You've mastered the present simple tense. In our next lesson, we'll learn about the present continuous tense. Follow 33 Flowers for more beautiful English lessons that make learning simple and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and remember, beautiful learning happens one step at a time.